Welcome to the Nizar Jabber Garage channel. In today's video, you will see the top 12 functions of Microsoft Word. Number 12. Password protection. On Microsoft Word, you can protect your documents and files with a password. So just you or anyone who has it will be able to access the document. Number 11. Document translation. On Microsoft Word, you will be able to translate the document to any language you wish without changing settings, style, and it is a very useful feature to save you time. The maximum number of pages you can translate is about 25. Number 10. Writing to multiple contacts. If you ever happen to need to write or send an email to hundreds or thousands of people, on Microsoft Word, you'll be able to import the contact list from another program or file, so you can just write your message and then the names, the last names and the emails will be taken from that contact list. So it is an effortless way to send invitations, emails, to really hundreds or thousands of people, even more, in just a few clicks. Not only you can use it for emails, but you can also use it to print letters, physical letters to many people. It is a very, very useful feature. Number 9. Document recovery. Let's imagine you're working on a document with multiple people, and today you have edited the file, and tomorrow someone else of your colleagues or even you might have done some unwanted changes. And now you, after one day or two or even more, you want to recover your file as it was before. Well, you can do that on Microsoft Word with a function that's called File History, where you can go back in time and restore a previous version of the document as it was before. Number 8. Voice typing. This is the voice typing function. All you have to do to enable it is just to simply tap on the microphone and it will start writing down whatever word you say. It is a very useful function, especially when you need to write down a lot of text. It's very accurate and it will save you a lot of time. And it will also make things much easier for you. Number 7. Web pages creation. On Microsoft Word, you can transform your document into a web page with a few clicks, so anyone can access the file if you share the link with them over the internet. If you ever thought that creating web pages was difficult, now you know that Microsoft Word made this easy for you. Number 6. Document reader. Microsoft Word can read documents for you.
Voice reader. The Microsoft Word program can read you documents aloud, so if for example you have a long document to check and at the same time you want to rest your eyes or look at your mobile phone to correspond with your colleagues, friends, family, etc.
Number 5. Shortcuts creation. On Microsoft Word, you'll be able to replicate a number of settings or functions by creating one single shortcut. Let's imagine you like to set your page in landscape mode and having the margins small. Instead of clicking the function one by one, you'll be able to create a shortcut to replicate all of the settings in just one click. You can also create shortcuts for other settings that you often use. Number 4. Modifications restriction. This function lets you set which part of the document can be modified and which cannot. It is a very useful function, especially when you're working with multiple people. Number 3. Creation and modification of PDF files. On Microsoft Word, not only you will be able to save your document as a PDF file, but you can also use the program to modify other PDF files. All you have to do is just to open the PDF file using the Microsoft Word application, and you will be able to modify the document without the need of any extra software. Number 2. Replace command. Let's imagine that you wrote a name or a word wrong multiple times, and with this function you'll be able to choose the word you wrote wrong and replace it in just a few clicks. You can apply this function to the whole document, so you can replace many words at once. Number 1. Screen capture. This function lets you capture the screen just behind the Microsoft Word app. You can also choose which part of the screen you want to capture. It's very useful if you want to take an image of an article, for example. If you want to learn how to use all those functions, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And if you happen to have a hard time to create your own CV, then check out my online shop where you can buy any CV template you might like. Each template is a package that includes a CV in 1, 2 or 3 pages version, a cover letter and a reference page. To access my online shop, you can scan the QR code at the end of the video or enter the link in the description. Thanks for watching and subscribe.